What's up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you two must-have Magisk modules for you if you are using your device and using Magisk Manager and you rooted your device, just you wanna install some Magisk modules. I'll show you only two Magisk modules which are must-have Magisk modules which you can install right now. Which are those Magisk modules which you have to install? I'll try to show you everything in this video. Let's get started now. Okay, as you can see, this is my device in which I have installed Magisk pre-installed. As you can see, Magisk installed is 20.4 with the Magisk Manager is 7.5.1. sorry. So what you have to do is you have to go to download section. There are a lot of Magisk modules available. Whichever you want to use, you can use if you want to. So let me just try out one Magisk module. Let me show you one first Magisk module. This one is Deblotter. As you can see, Deblotter is a module in which you can uninstall some system apps if you want to. And one of the best thing about this module is if you realize that you don't have to uninstall that app, you want to install it back on your device, you can use that too. How to use this? There's an option available. You can see you have to just use a deblot command in terminal emulator everything. What you have to do is simply click on this install button, click on install, it will start installing, and as you can see, it's done. It's perfectly done without any issues. Second one, the module, the link for that module is in the description. Second one module is the third-party module which you will not find in the Magisk Manager app. You have to go to plus sign then after downloading that, and you will see this Razorite 2.6.zip. Simply click on install. It will start installing. It will take some time, so just wait for it to install properly. As you can see, it will ask you to volume test, press volume key, and then it will ask you to press volume key up again, now plus volume down, and now it will ask you to, if you want to install Razer Cortex, just yes, click on yes or no, whichever you want to use. Razer Live Wallpapers, just click on yes if you want to. Razer Services, click on yes if you want to. Razer Permissions, obviously you have to choose yes, and last you have to use Razer Boot Animation, we will choose yes. All these things are done. As you can see, downloading Razer Boot Animation, it depends upon your internet speed, how much internet speed you have, so it will take that much time. If you have a lot of time, then if you have fast internet, then it will not take that much time, and if you have a slow internet, then it will take some time to install. It will download the Razer Boot Animation. If you click on choose yes, it will ask you all these permissions and you can answer these permissions by using volume down or volume up. Whichever you want to use, you can choose that one. So let us wait and let me see how much time it will take to download. And as you can see, it's done. Now install Razer UI Sounds, click on yes if you want to. Now it will install Razer UI Sounds and ringtones, and it's almost done. Settings, permissions, and almost done, and here it is, everything is done. These both modules are done. I have another module. If you are still watching, let me just show you that module also. The next one is we have to go to downloads. This one is actually very simple one. I don't think so it's must have, but yes, if you want to use this, you can try out. That one is actually music player, Sony Music Player. This one is Sony Music Player. If you just love to use this one, click on install now. It will start installing. It will not take that much time, and as you can see, it's done. After installing all these modules, as you can see, these three modules are already installed. These are not applied successfully. We have to reboot our device once. Click on reboot. It will start rebooting. Make sure you have a proper backup of your device if you have not used Magisk even once. So if you have proper backup and you're ready to go, just wait, and now starts to reboot. It will take some time to boot. Let me just show you that we have installed Razorite Boot Animation. Let's see if it is working or not. It should work, I think, and if it's not working for you, then that module will not work for you. Then you have to uninstall that module if in case it's not working. And here it is, it's working. As you can see, Razorite Boot Animation is here. It looks pretty much interesting. So first module is properly working, as you can see. and as you can see Razer. Now I will show you all the things which I have installed, and I'll show you that how you can use those things. First, as you can already see that Razorite module is already installed, it's perfectly working. Other things like this one is Cortex for gamers, I think. Just open this Razer Cortex Games. It will show you some settings. I think this will install all the apps from Razer phone, Razer Cortex, the very best of the gaming lifestyle at your fingertips. Click on done. It has a lot of games available. You have to download these games to play. So it's not a Razer device actually. You have just a feeling of installing these, and you can install and play these games if you want to. And if you talk about some other things, let me just show you one more thing. Just wait and hold. And this one is the Razer Walls. This one is the Razer Walls. It will show you all the wallpapers from Razorite, from Razer device. As you can see, it has a lot of wallpapers from Razer device. If you just want to install, you can simply click here, click on set wallpaper. It will start and it will click on OK. Just wait, and it will, after that, click on apply. And here it is. Looks perfect. It will act like this. The next module which we have just installed that time was Deblotter. How to use that one? You have to go to Google Play Store. Here you have to search for Terminal, or you can use Termux also if you want to. Click on install. It will take some time to install, so let us wait and let me see, and let me show you that how you can use this module if you want to. Just wait for it to install. It will take some time, so we have to wait. If it is taking a lot of time, let me just show you some other things. Okay, as you can see, it's taking time, so let me just wait and come back to you soon. So guys, as you can see, Termux is installed. Simply click on open and it will install, and here it is. Firstly, you have to do is you have to give it permission, SU, and it will ask you to root permission, and click grant. Now you have the option to choose. Simply write Debloat, D-E-B-L-O-A-T. Click on OK. Now as you can see, it will show you look like this: BusyBox not found, and these are the apps you can choose. So let me just show you by uninstalling some app. Click on OK. One, system apps. It will show you all the apps which are installed in your device in a system app folder. It will take some time. As you can see, progress 50%, 60%, and after that it will show you all the installed apps. You can uninstall any app if you want to, any app, but make sure you don't uninstall that app whichever is necessary for you. As you can see, all the apps which are listed, these are installed, pre-installed. If you just want to install any app from here, let me just show you by uninstalling an app. Okay, you can uninstall any app actually, but be careful while uninstalling the app. So we will uninstall backup and restore 3.1. As you can see, third one is backup and restore. Click on 3, click on OK. As you can see, it will ask you to OK. Just click on Y and click on yes, and yes, it's done. It will ask you to reboot, apply changes, and then reboot, and your device, your app will be uninstalled. This one is the thing, and this is how you can use this. And if you want to reinstall this app, use Debloat and click on reinstall and click on OK. Everything is done. This was all from today's video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.